Hey guys, welcome to another episode in your favorite channel. For today we are going to deal with case statement in SQLite. Let's say that you would like to perform certain condition on every row. And then you would like to put a result from that test into a particular cell. Well, that is where case where statement is used. Let me show you. I'm going to use this database from our previous episodes and jump to execute SQL. So first thing that I'm going to do, let's say item, and I'm going to execute that. And as you see, we have all of these elements. And now let's say that we would like to test which of these elements are actually measured in kilograms. How we are going to do that? So I'm just going to make some space and I'm going to call case. Now type when, and we are going to provide our first condition, first and only for this case. Units are kilograms. Then with this keyword we are going to provide what is actually going to be a result if this condition is met. And I'm going to say something like this. Else something really simple. And now I'm going to end this statement, and I'm going to end it as let's say first test result. And don't forget to put comma in here. So you need a comma behind select all, or if you used some column names, after last name provide comma just before this case statement commence. And then execute. And now you can see our result. So sugar, it's measured in kilograms. Salt, it's measured in kilograms. Bread, it's not measured in kilograms. So this works. And I could actually provide the second condition when units are equals to piece in pieces. Okay, and now I'm going to execute this statement. You see, it is measured in pieces. It is measured in pieces. And this first one, because row 0 does not contains elements, we have no, it's not in kilograms. So the first condition that is met is going to be used to provide a result to our first test result. And how we are going to get a name for this column with this statement and as first test result. So with ending of case statement, you are going to provide the name for this last column. And what if you would like, for example, to have multiple case statements? Is that possible? Of course, but then you are going to provide another comma, and I'm going to say case when, let's say, price is greater than, let's say, 5, then good price. Else not so good. And I'm going to end this. Something descriptive like this. And I'm going to execute this. And you see, we got another column. And what else you could do? You actually could combine conditions, something like this. Let's say the second condition is when price is greater than 2 and price is less than 5. Result is going to be okay, I'm going to execute this. Yeah. And you could actually combine conditions from multiple columns. Something like this. When price is less than, let's say, 5 and units are in kilograms, then cool. I'm going to execute this now, and yes, we have 3 rows with result of cool. Well, that's all for this episode. I hope that you have learned something interesting and that you are going to use this case when statement in your future endeavors. So, see you around, guys.